This one is a 1975 Smith-Corona Galaxie 12. I'll show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. The color is Alpine Blue, I believe. Beautiful, beautiful condition. A load of paper. To set the margins, you just push these with your finger. I like to set them at the beginning and the end of the page. Once you hit the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit the line space to get you back to the beginning. Also has the ability for double and triple space with this lever here, but we're going to keep it on single. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. Very nice typing machine. I'll type a sentence. Very nice typer. It's actually one of my most popular machines. I just sold, I don't know, 5 or 6 of these this past month. The print's really nice. You see that? So I got a bunch more in stock. They won't last. So if you like it, order now. This lever will let you pull the paper out easy. It releases the rollers underneath. Also allows you to load thicker paper like cardstock or carbon copy. All right, let's go to the rest of the functions. Backspace is on your top left here. It's got a color selector switch. If you have a black and red ribbon, we do not have a black and red ribbon, so we're going to keep it on that. What that does is it just raises the vibrator here so it hits the bottom of the ribbon. So it works if you want to put that on there. Got a power space function here. Pretty cool. Tab function. Right now there's no tab set, so we'll set a tab right there. Stops at that tab. Clear it, hit the clear, and now you have no tabs. It's got a carriage. This is a carriage release. It's got one on each side, and when you get to the end, it won't allow you to type unless you hit the margin release, and it allows you to type past the margin if you need to finish a word. Touch control here on the left. The higher the touch control, the harder you have to hit the keys. Open the hood, we got the spools. Ribbon control is right here. You flip it back if you want it to pull to the left. You flip it forward if you want it to pull to the right. This model, a few of these models have custom keys that you can put on here. So this is a 1 and an exclamation point. I don't know if you could see that. It comes off and you can make any kind of symbol you want. And it has, on that key, it has this contraption that wraps around the key, and you just put whatever you want on this and change the cap there, and they're on each side here. So you can do 2 custom keys on this model. It's got this paper tray. I didn't use that, but that's the other function. And that's it. Now available on Etsy or eBay. Search Brooksaw Antiques.